Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am making basmati soft white rice, like I always say, and I'm equally making chicken curry. But of course, I have a twist and turn here today. This is my chicken breast I'm using for my chicken curry. That's what I call chicken curry. But at the same time too, I'm a girl of twists and turns. So I have my lamb chops here. I'll be putting it into my air fryer. I want to just see how it comes out. I'm going to toast it first, then I show you guys what I'll be doing. So basically what I have here, I have my chilies. I have my different chilies. I have my chili and garlic sauce. I have my hot chili sauce. These are the chilies of the chilies. And I have my apple cider. I'm going to wash the fruits, the carrots and the peppers. This is my oyster sauce, my dark soy. I equally have vinegar. White vinegar I'm using to wash the fruits, so I can either use the apple cider or I can use my vinegar. I'm just showing you guys, don't mind me. Then we have our blended sesame oil, our peppers and our carrots, and of course this is the bongo of them all. You want to make yourself chicken curry, you want to make yourself gravy, you want to make yourself sauce. This is what gives it this is the game changer. Your corn flour. If you don't have this, trust me guys, you're not doing nothing. And we equally have our parsley leaves here. I'll show what I'm using for the last leaf. This is just the secrets, and our spring onions. So guys, first and foremost, let us grill our lamb chops and our chicken breast in our oven. So I have my parchment paper here. I always put it inside my grilling pan so that they don't stick on. I have my parchment paper here. I don't want my proteins to stick down, and I have easy wash when I want to wash my pans. So this is my lamb chop I'll be putting here.
Mom, I used to think that lamb chops were dumplings.
No, lamb is sheep now. Goat.
I was thinking it was a Chinese recipe.
Aren't I lucky? I got this fresh from my garden. You can see the sand there, and my parsley too from my garden. Aren't I lucky? I'm a homegrown gardener. I get my leaves fresh. What I'm still hoping for to grow, that I've grown already, but I'm still waiting to sow it, is my peppers. I planted this yellow, red, and green peppers. So of course, guys, I'll show you when I'm about to harvest it. So like I tell you, always plant things in your garden. You could do a little bit of healthy vegetables in your garden. You could grow it. Trust me guys, you'll be happy for it. Okay, so I'm going to be dicing away my vegetables. I've no need for that. Are you ready? Yeah, so guys, I have diced my bell peppers, yellow, red, and green peppers in box form. It's so interesting that these colors, I don't know, it just shows you what you call color blocking. The colors, the sights makes your spirits just, that's for me. Not about myself anyway. Yeah, so guys, after this now we'll be dicing our carrots. Then I will go to the proper. So once you have these veggies, you could always use other vegetables too if you want. So I'll be using my cutter now to cut my carrots. This is just for aesthetics, to make it fine. You could just do if you're a simple regular person, you could just do your normal side. But me, see me, I like sengemenge. I must do shakara now, guys. So guys, I already have my diced peppers here and my carrots. Just check out the aesthetic beauty. So let's get a quick check and check how our lamb chops is. Look at that. You see? This is sizzling well. So take it one more. This is nice. So this is getting pretty here. This is ready now. So just want to focus on my chicken curry and so good to go. So guys, this is our basmati. I'm fluffing it so that it doesn't join together. What he needs right now is just the heat. What he needs is steak. Long for me. Guys, I'm trying to just saute my onions and garlic, carrots. Guys, I'm putting next my green peppers. The smell is so sensational, guys. Woo! Next, I'm adding my red peppers. So I'm pan frying my veggies. Yes, so guys, I just brought out my lamb chops now. See guys, see the idea of using a parchment paper in your air fryer. See, the pan is quickly clean. Of course you wash it, but you won't be so greasy. The parchment paper will absorb all the oil. So guys, this has been air fried. Healthy living. So hot. So guys, this is the game changer. We have different brands of corn flour. So I'm using my corn flour. This is what will give you the consistency, the thickener. So I'll be taking about 2 spoons of corn flour. This is 1, and this is 2. So what I normally do is I'll be adding my dark soy sauce in the corn flour and my oyster sauce. I'm going to bring it to stir and I'll put in my veggies. This one, if you never chop, don't try it because it's stubborn. So I'm using my power now. When they come out like Chinko no they die for film. See, you don't have that strength, forget about it. See, if you're not careful, you can miss your measurements because the stick. I think this will do. So I'm going to stir it, stir. Oyster is quite thick, so you have to make sure you stir it thoroughly for it to have a consistency. Guys, just look at the color. Look at the color. All things bright and beautiful. Rainbow color. So we call it chicken curry, right? So what is chicken curry without curry? Without curry. So I'll be putting this curry into my mixed corn flour. It's called chicken curry. So plenty and plenty of curry. So stir. Adding my meat broth, my chicken broth rather, and of course my mixed cornstarch. and the chili, my oyster and dark soy sauce. Because I'm putting my chicken, lemon, and herbs. You know, I'm a queen of spice. I like to put twist and turn of different spices to up the game of the kitchen. So I'll be putting chili and garlic sauce. I'm not very open. Hold on, guys. I believe people want to disgrace me in the kitchen. I'm not very open. So our point is our chili. Smells, tastes nice. Our hot chili sauce is going in there. Just put what you think you like, you guys. This is just the base is the curry. I'm just putting chili to give it a little bit of spice. Look at it. Look at the consistency. If you want it very thick, of course you don't add water. I like my own not too thick, not too light, just right. It's taking shape. I added my oyster. I added my dark soy. So like I always tell you, put your sauce. This one ups my game. It just gives my game from a 1 to 100 straight up. I put sazon in my ingredients. Sazon. Get yourself sazon. Seasoning cubes. I'm adding my lamb chops. I said it's chicken, but I'm adding my lamb chops to it. This is we cannot spice up our game. So for me, it's chicken curry, lamb chops curry. You know me now. I always invent. You guys, if you know what I mean, this is just I'm just showing you the base of how to make your chicken curry. But of course, I infused lamb chops in here. This is our chicken. This is our chicken, and this is our lamb chops. Putting our spring onions lastly. Guys, if you want to add more water to your chicken curry, you could do that, because when it gets cold, it gets thicker. Because I wish you could just taste what I have here with me. It's so heavenly, delish. The sight is amazing. The taste is super amazing. Good taste. I'm waiting, and guys think, just right. Now our parsley lastly. I'm going to just dice it. Going straight to the pots. Parsley lastly. You like the sound of that? Parsley lastly. Check out the rhymes. Parsley lastly. Alright guys, now I think chicken curry, lamb curry is ready.
Lamb chicken curry.
Lamb chicken curry. Okay, dokie. Hey guys, so our food is ready. Like what you see? So if you like what you see, definitely please be kind, be nice, give us a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe. And this is our fruity tamarind drink made by us.ng. Our hands are blessed. This is what we call it to our caterers. By the way, our side also cater for your needs. This is not an advertisement. I'm just showing you what you can do in your kitchen, what meals you can make in your kitchen, and just to spice up your kitchen, your delicacies and your recipes. So I hope I'm able to convince you and not confuse you that it's a very easy step to make chicken curry / lamb chop sauce. Alright guys, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye.